Heaven is a Happy Place presents
Desire of Ages, Chapter 61. Zacchaeus. Character quality. Restitution. Restoring something lost or stolen to the owner. Christ wants us to be honest and return to others what rightfully belongs to them. Memory verse. Ezekiel 33 verse 15 to 16. If the wicked restore the pledge, give again that he had robbed. Walk in the statutes of life without committing iniquity. He shall surely live, he shall not die. None of his sins that he hath committed shall be mentioned unto him. He hath done that which is lawful and right, he shall surely live.
Please like, share, and subscribe.